What's up, beautiful people? I'm back with another What's For, and this one is a dinner recipe, homemade shrimp fried rice. Quick and easy. So let's go ahead and get started. First things first, we're going to start out with a good oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil as well as 2 tablespoons of salted butter. That is optional. You don't have to use that. Then we're going to start out with some really good shrimp. Now, I gotta give a special shout out to my beautiful and lovely sister-in-law for putting me on to these shrimp, because these shrimp right here, I got them from Kroger and they are just so delicious. So you want to go ahead and make sure you get those nicely sauteed and seared into the butter and olive oil. And then we are going to add to these shrimp some minced garlic, and this is a half of a yellow onion I added to the shrimp, and I want to saute everything till the onions become translucent and the shrimp, give me some color, you know what I mean, a nice sear on them. Now we're going to go ahead and scramble 2 eggs to add to our fried rice. Mind you, this is a small batch of shrimp fried rice, so however big of a batch you are doing for your fried rice, add another egg or so. If you really like the egg in it, I like to really do it for texture and color. Once the egg is completely cooked all the way through and scrambled to your liking, we're going to just set that aside. Now we're back to this beautiful seared shrimp with the translucent onions just the way I like them, the garlic mixed in so perfectly. We're going to add to this our vegetables. I'm using broccoli, carrots, and peas. That's the veggies of choice that I just want to go ahead and use. I didn't have fresh broccoli, so I'll be working with some frozen broccoli. Is that okay with y'all? So then we're going to add our seasonings to it, and we're going to get this all flavorful, because we don't want a plain fried rice. We want some good flavorful fried rice. So we're going to incorporate that into the shrimp and all that good stuff. Get that, cooked through a little bit, not too much, because you don't want that broccoli, because it is frozen, too soft. Let's talk about seasonings I used. Ground red pepper, parsley flakes, Mrs. Dash table blend, as well as some Mediterranean fine sea salt, some garlic powder, and some black pepper, of course, as well as onion powder. Simple, easy, and flavorful. Once we give the veggies and the shrimp one good stir, we're going to add our cold frozen rice. Make sure it's cold. Make sure it's not freshly cooked, because it just works better. You know what I mean? It works better when it's cold rice. Then we're going to get that, all married together. So we can add our last ingredient. And the last ingredient is, yes, you guessed it right, soy sauce, some all-purpose soy sauce, and some ponzu sauce. That is optional. I like to, you know what I'm saying, add my little extra flavor to it, so that ponzu sauce really goes a long way. I also add a little bit of raw sugar to it, just to cut some of that acidity and that saltiness in those soy sauces. And it is bomb. Then we're gonna add our egg. Sorry, that's the last ingredient. We're gonna add our scrambled egg we just did earlier. So add that to the mix. And from here, I mean, this is it. This is all you do. Easy, simple shrimp fried rice. And just like that, you guys, it is completely done. The sauce is warmed through. The rice is warmed through just enough to where it's not mushy. It's perfect. It is done. It's not oily. So y'all ready for your plate? Let's go ahead and get that together. And here you have it, your delicious, hot and fresh shrimp fried rice. I'm giving you 3 scoops. Is that okay? Don't hesitate to let me know if you need more now. And I'm gonna add a little bit of yum yum sauce on the side. It just worked together so perfectly. And most definitely give this recipe a try. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Y'all take care.